Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for tuning back into the Ososik life. I'm Ososik, and today I'm actually on my way to RaceCo. To pick up the Honda Talon cage. It's in Fallbrook, California. Got my boy Angel right here. I got my other boy, Elvin, who's sitting in the back right there. So yeah, we kind of left a little early. It's not too bad of a drive. Climbing up a mountain right now. Got my Starbucks with me already. So I'm pretty excited because I placed the order not that long ago for the Talon cage, and it's going to be a bolt-on cage. And Jamie at RaceCo does really sick work, so I'm super excited. And I'll finally get to check out his shop, see everything that they do, and actually building some 2 race Talons too, so I'm pretty excited to see that. But yeah, we keep going up. I hope I'm going the right way. I'm just following the map, to be honest, so stay tuned. We're almost there. There is something else in the works, but just keep watching this vlog and we'll see. So today should be pretty exciting because I'm all the way in Fallbrook right now, and I might have to go all the way to Long Beach, so by lunch, and it's already 10. So we'll see what's up.
Snug them all up because
Okay.
you could reach underneath the front of the seat because the seat's up here usually.
All right.
So there's like a gap, you know. So, and then this is the front on the passenger side.
Okay, so passenger side doesn't slide?
No,
Okay.
no, there's no reason for it to. So that bolts in, this crotch belt, put it through there.
Sick.
That's how that works.
Oh yeah, man.
And then what you're gonna want to do on this is when you pull the other one off, like put a jack under the center of the car, like on a piece of wood, like a, you know, kind of a platform under a cross member.
Alright, so we were just in Fallbrook at RaceCo, and I picked up the Honda Talon cage. Got that out of the way. And actually, we're on our way to Pasadena for some lunch. I know it doesn't make any sense. That's like an hour drive just to go get lunch. But yeah, the cage looks so sick. Obviously, it needs to get either coated or painted. I'm gonna coat it. I just seriously don't know what color to do. The guys here were telling me the same thing that I say. It's like it's between black and the blue that comes with the Honda Talon. So I need to figure that out quick. But I need to make sure I do it appropriately, because if I coat it and I end up wanting to put something on there like some lights and it needs to get welded, it's gonna mess up the coating. So Jamie from RaceCo was actually telling me that there's a lot of places that you just buy, like, clamp it onto the cage. So I know Assault does make some stuff like that, like their mirrors, they're just clamps, which is really sick. So I don't have to weld on there. And then it also helps, like, if you ever end up selling it at one point, you know, you could sell the cage and it's not all customized and everything. It's literally just the same way it came from the manufacturer. So that's pretty dope. I just need to look at my options, and I need to figure out what color I should coat the top of the cage. Leave your suggestions in the comments below. Do a black top or paint it the same color as that blue that the Honda Talon 1000R came in. I don't know, guys. Really don't know. But yeah, like I said, we're going to Pasadena. Why are we driving an hour just to go get lunch? It's already 12. So we're meeting up with Sean from Pierce Group and also Cody Walker. I'm gonna have some lunch with them, catch up, probably talk about the next track day. Probably talk talk about some Thai bar things, and have some good pizza. So, if you kids are ready, go get some pizza.
Yes.
And I'm seriously, as always, on a time crunch. I'm usually late. If you know me, I'm always late. I have the cage in the back of the truck right now, so I didn't even get time to go drop it off. I literally left RaceCo, driving to Pasadena to go have lunch. Yeah, thankfully there's no traffic. We'll come back on once we get there. Alright, finally made it. Jinxed it a little bit, there was traffic. But that's what happens when you live in Cali, so I'm only 25 minutes late. Let's go eat.
There you go. Are you putting that
And that premium,
the premium?
that Nitro Plus V-Power. That's all we get in Cali, 91. All right, so just got the RaceCo cage back home. Knees are old. Got to get this ready to put some steel on. I think they already told me at RaceCo that they actually apply steel to this, so that's what it is. It looks good. Don't want to lose these. And I'm honestly really excited to just throw this on. One, I'm gonna feel safer just because obviously it has extra braces. You could actually buy like the front part directly from Honda, the Honda Powersport side. I know they have accessories for that. But this RaceCo cage is, dude, it sits lower. It just looks really aggressive. And I plan on trying to do some crazy stuff. So safety's first. But really cool team over there at RaceCo, especially when I went to go pick it up. They helped me load it. It was already all there right when I got there. Everything was laid out right by the front of the gate. Got this. Hopefully those 3 cans of Still-It is enough for all this. Art said it is, so if Art says it's fine, I'm pretty sure it's fine because I think he said he used it for like his Bronco or something. I'm not gonna do this in the garage because I'm not trying to suffocate myself, so I'm gonna take this out back. I already laid out some piece of paper and time to take this off. Let me take this off. Look at that. I can lift it by myself. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Check that out. Hold on, hold up. Don't want to scratch this already. I don't care if it gets scratched, as long as it gets scratched doing something cool. But check this out. I didn't even see this. This is sick. Not only did he put my name, he put Ososik. Just for that, I'm probably not even gonna paint that part. Might just leave it. All right, time to get this party started. Got this cans. I'll be good to go. I finally found some old Scotch-Brite. And honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm winging it. I'm just gonna clean it up so that I can apply the Still-It and then hopefully it sticks good. I haven't used Scotch-Brite in a long time now that I think about it. What's cool about doing this is I'm actually getting a close look at the artwork that RaceCo did. Like, this cage is sick, man. And for starters, I can't wait to see what it looks like painted. And then on top of that, I can't wait to see the big transformation it's gonna make just when I finally install it on the Talon. So it's so dope. If you haven't checked them out, follow them on social media or go to their website and you can see their stuff. The welds, they look on point. All right, now that the Scotch-Brite is all done, I'm gonna apply the first sealant can. See how this goes. I thought this one felt a little light. Looks like Art already used it a little bit, but that's all good. One. And what you don't want to do is drop the nut. So there's one, or a long one like I got. It's one, and on the bottom. I think I'll be able to get away without taking this off. One. Can't see it. See? Okay, it's really back heavy and I'm not that strong, so this way and then we'll go to the front. So that's it. That is how you take off the stock cage on the Honda Talon. All right guys, so as you can see, there's light outside, it's a new day. Literally just did an all-nighter just to get this done. But the cage is finally on the Talon, and I'm super stoked just because it looks so sick. It changed up the entire look of the Talon. Obviously, I'm sure you guys already kind of guessed that, but aside from the safety, it just made it look really, really aggressive. And huge shout out to Art because it was actually his idea of going with a black cage. I was originally thinking of just powder coating it to match the stock Honda color, but with the black top and the whole two-tone, it just looks really aggressive. So huge shout out to RaceCo for the tips on the easiest way to install this cage, and also for making just such a great quality product that now I'm confident and feel super safe that I can just thrash and kind of not really worry about anything. So yeah, this is it, man. It looks finally, also got the Ososik decal up there to make it official. And I hope you guys enjoyed. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned because there's much more with this journey and we still have to take this thing out. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments below and I'll try my best to get back to you guys. Be sure to check out RaceCo and also Steal It because I applied Steal It to this. And remember guys, life's so sick, live it.